It's like ears.
It looks like ears, but it's super cute. Look. We'll do a crystal later, but I am going to draw her super cute eyelashes. So it's up to you if you want the volume lashes for her, or you want just single lashes, or you want cluster lashes, or you want strip lashes. It's up to you how you want to dress your unicorn. So I'm gonna do her.
I know you got some cluster lashes. You should put some real ones on her.
That's gonna be awesome. We should cut some little. Maybe I should cut little and then put condensed glue gels on.
Ah, you could do it.
So I'm gonna do.
You can do it. The minute I pull this out, I already got a speck on my brand new tissue.
Where's Billy today? Billy, it's
You guys ignore my nails too. I'm building a bar in my backyard, and I've kind of killed them.
She's abused them so much.
I broke one, I fixed it, and then I broke another one. I'm like, for real. Like, so look at my baby finger and my thumb. I won't show you the thumb. It was painful.
We are not going to like pick up a lot. It's little go a long way. So I'm gonna wipe up most of my gel painting. This is one of the gel painting in a bottle. If you don't have any other brush, I mean this Precision brush. So if you draw her like lashes, if she open and she's smiling, then you put her up. But if she's like dreaming and she's like sassy looks, then you do it down. So
if she's sassy, her name is Nancy.
Yeah, sassy. Let's do her like her lashes like down. So you're gonna do it right in the center, right here, and then go it, just make it a little bit curl up. Don't do that on your lashes though. You can only do it for your unicorn. Because this one will not remove with makeup remover. It's only remove with the alcohol, so.
I still think you really need some real clusters on here.
You think so? Let me go and find some. Should I?
You need to find some. Yeah.
Okay, so I have it on the I will able to get some.
I know they're not that far. I got a new setup, but my chair is like too big.
All right, so let's get her a little bit fancy, and then doing a little swipe right there. One. Maybe it's like maybe her like 10 or 12 millimeter. It's good. She's got it in long enough.
She can support them.
Yeah.
Me, I can only do 10. Is it?
Yeah, I always do 10. Vicky is one of my bestie, and it support me for my lashes business on day one. We would travel together, and then I
support her. I lay down on the bed and I say, put lashes on me. That's how I support. You need practice. Oh my God, this is so cute. You guys, I love Fusion Ink. It's just so simple. It's like super easy, instant art.
Oh, the Fusion Ink is a game changer. It will create it
so makes my life so simple.
It just create the background so easy. She's so adorable. Look at that.
Oh my God, she's so pretty.
She had a cluster, and then she had a really like maybe it's like a volumes, really cute one on. So we're gonna flash clear her. Just a second. And then I'll put some crystals, and I'm gonna get some maybe crystal AB. I need to go get some SS.
Do you want some? I have some right here.
Yeah, give me some. I need some. Oh, I have some SS3 over here. With this one is translucent.
SS3 is like empty. Empty.
All right, so I'm gonna do.
So make sure you wipe this off beforehand. It's hard to see, but you have to wipe off your brush before you go back into crystal clear. Otherwise, you're gonna color your crystal clear.
So I am going to use just the back of my crystal pickers. The reason it is, or you can using twin tip brush on Precision size. The reason it is, I just want to do it right in the middle, right there.
Look. no room for my beer on my table. Sharanda, I'm celebrating for you.
Yeah. Sharanda, you have a glass of wine right now. You should. All right, so I'm gonna do it just right up there because I'm gonna put a little cute like crowd for her, and I want to draw a little like have a lashes glue for her.
Lash glue. All right, so I'm already done with my fusion ink, but I want to seal it, and so I'm using matte finish top coat.
All right, and I think I might do some beads in here. You can put, you want to put rose gold beads in here or leave it alone? Should I put some beads? Right here, right in the middle of the flowers?
Yeah,
no?
She needs something. Yeah.
Maybe rose gold?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my super cute rose gold set. If you haven't had one of the jars, it's like under $5. Nail art is so stunning. You're gonna need a lot of cute, like it has so many different sizes that I'm gonna get it for you. So you can see.
I'm trying to see if I can find it.
I need the rose gold one.
It's right here somewhere.
And now we need a no wipe top coat. So now when you covers, don't covers her 40 gels.
I must have dumped the rose gold in something. But it comes in a cute little thing like this. This is the silver.
Yeah. That's one. I have a rose gold. Should I put rose gold for her?
Yeah. No, it'd be good. Look at it. It's so cute. You can leave it just like that. You don't have to do anything.
Oh my
else.
gosh. Oh my gosh, what did you do with that? I like totally miss it. What?
You can watch it back on IGTV because since you didn't pay attention, I'm not
because I put lashes on for her, then I had to pay attention because otherwise it's gonna get in her eyes. Sorry.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use.
Did you do ombre though? It looks so gorgeous.
I did what did I do? Calming, majestic, passionate, and delight, and just blended them all.
Oh.
But then I want to try.
You're gonna fancy it up now?
Well, of course. Twin tip brush. I'm gonna use the wide end. Oops, my lid's still on here.
Sorry, Facebook. We are on Instagram with Vicky. If you have both Facebook and Instagram, join us on Instagram. We are over here, and you can see Vicky because we don't have split screen for Facebook though.
You can't do that on Facebook, can you?
I don't think so.
I don't have any idea. I've seen some people do it, but I don't know how.
Is that real? Maybe the stream or whatever. We'll figure it out.
I don't know. I have to get another telephone.
Can you look at some gold? I love it. It's so cute. It had different sizes. One day Vicky said, Nancy, we have to have this. I want this.
I know. I'm like, I need the big balls.
Oh my God. Should I put the big one or smaller one? Look.
Should like a big one in the middle and then small, you think?
I think so. Well, if not, then we can take
Those are so cute because they look like little teeny roses.
Which one?
The little yellow look like little tiny roses.
Yeah, is that the crown of yellows? Roses. Good night, Pandora.
And then I have to use my glow-in-the-dark glitter. So I'm like, okay, how can I do this? That's why I was going to do acrylic. Then you did acrylic. I'm like, I'll do gel polish. So I'm going to use the white. You guys got to see this. I'll pop it in the lamp and charge it real quick.
So I am going to use like SS3.
Good night, Pandora.
And I'll put it in her little like lashes.
Look at how it glows. It's so awesome.
Hold on. I need to see 1 second. Let me see.
Want to see it?
Oh, I want it.
But won't that be cute in there?
Yes.
Gotta have some glow.
Oh, I forgot. I should put it in here on the glitter. I totally... You get it. You get fancy.
So I poured some into a tray.
It's funny. You'd always want what you don't have right here in front.
I know. But I put condensed glue gel down all by itself. No top coat, because I'm going to put another layer. I just want to put these in, and then I'm going to encapsulate them in the condensed glue gel.
So this one is really cute, though. This is a translucent crystal, though. It looks like a 3, like AB, but it's not like AB. It
Is
was
it the
like,
one with no backer?
no, this one is different one. This one a different one. You have this one. This one has had like, it's had, oh no, you didn't get this one. Did you get this one? This one is like, this one is like, if you tear to different angle, it's turned to green.
Oh, that's the
and
one
to,
I didn't get. No, I didn't get it because I got so much stuff I had to wait.
It's okay. I have it. You can have mine.
Great. Great. To show me more of what I don't have.
Yeah, because you show me the glitter, the glow in the dark.
There's a sale, so I'll be stocking up again.
Your cart
Try
will
not
be
to
full.
cover this up. Huh?
Your cart will be full again.
My cart's always full. It stays full.
Do a sale.
And then I refrain a little bit, and then I fill it back up. Whatever. I'm so excited, though, to get Ophelia this week. I'm like, yes. And sorry, guys, she's sold out already. But I heard our shipment is very close by.
She's stuck in traffic right now.
She's stuck in traffic. I'm sort of setting these. I'm going to do crystals down the middle. So I'm trying to set them off so that I don't cover it all up. But there goes my dog. He's starting.
Should I put something else on her? Look at that.
What you got?
Oh, she got this.
She's so cute. I have to look at my big TV.
Let me see. I might put some other crystal on it.
Let me see. Nancy, you want this money or nah? When are you updating the site? I love it. Guys, I talked to Nancy until 3 in the morning last night. And I was going to go live, and then my, sorry, I had to let Gunner out.
I'm going to put...
my ring light crashed. So I had to repair the ring light today. And so my dog crashed it. And so now it's
and then we're
together
going to cure it.
a few different things.